Hello everyone. Code Royals is here to represent the problem statement Fish Catch Data Management System. The problem statement ID is 1657. So the most common and currently faced issue is that the fish catch data that is used by the researchers is most scattered and unorganized, which makes them hard to access and analyze it efficiently. So to address this issue, Aquascope, a multilingual interface, is built that provides a solution by creating a central database that collects the data, organizes it, and also stores it at one place. This website allows the researchers to easily access the data by applying various filters and visualizing them and also downloading them. It helps them to focus on advancing the fishery forecasts faster and more effectively. So let's dive into our website, and the approach is as follows. This is our landing page, which gives a short explanation about how our website works. And then, as you guys can see, it is a multilingual interface as well. Now, we have divided our website into two sections. The user, who would be diving into our website for his or her analysis of the data and visualizing them. And the other one is the admin, who would be injecting the data into our website by collecting from different resources. So first I'll be showing you guys the admin part where he would be entering his login credentials and login into our website. Immediately once he logins to our website, an upload data option is shown where he would be uploading the data in a .csv format. Once he uploads the data, a clean and organized table has been shown. Now the admin has the scope of editing the data by considering few specific records, either to upload them or to delete them. I'll be uploading only a few specific records and click on the upload button. Once the data has been uploaded, it gives me a message that the information has been collected. Once I click on the back button, it would be taking me to the initial page where it asks me to upload the data again if there is any. Now I'll be showing the user part where the user will be diving into our website for any visual analysis or downloading it or applying any other filters. So if there is any, if the user doesn't have any account, he would be signing up into our website and then apply the credentials provided and log into our website. As you can see, this is the brief, clean and organized data provided. But he can apply a few filters like date, depth and species. Based on the filters provided, we would be providing a more organized table data format. Now this data not only will be providing an accurate information, he can also visualize it through Gmaps and pie chart and also the abundance graph. And once he applies the filters, he can also download them. As you can see, once I downloaded the data, it's giving me a message that the data has been downloaded successfully. And if I click on the back button, it is taking me to the initial page again. Now, few of the technologies that we have been used for our website are basically Node.js and Chart.js for the backend operations and data visualizations. The Google Map API will be providing a feature for the interactive maps for the species data, and JWT tokens, which gives me which provides a secure authentication and authorization, and material user interface, which is easy, modern and dynamic.